Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of my calendar. We go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about my calendar. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.